Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm installing today a solar powered CCTV surveillance camera at my cottage. Now, Reolink have very kindly sent me this one. I've spent the last 24 hours looking at it and analysing it, and you can buy it from the link in the description box below this video. But before you do, let me just try and answer some of the questions you might have about this amazing piece of kit. And I really do think it's amazing for the following reasons. My first reason is you can do it yourself. You can buy this yourself, set it up yourself and install it yourself, so you don't need to pay a professional CCTV surveillance camera installer to come along to your home. It's really easy to set up and install. Now, I'm nearly 60 and tech is not really my thing. I have a paranoid fear about installing apps and getting things working. I think I must have had a bad experience in the past, but I needn't have worried with this Reolink setup. All you do is charge it up, turn it on, point your phone at a QR code, and then the camera starts talking to you and tells you exactly how to install and set up the app.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
It's that straightforward. Now, mine has come with a solar panel, and you can charge it up using the solar panel, or you can plug it in to a plug socket in the wall and charge it up. You don't have to have the solar panel. You can use this without a solar panel, and it's got an extra long life battery in it. Now, in the instructions and the website, it says that on standby, that battery will last for 500 days, so you don't need to worry about it running out of power. But now let's talk about the real benefits of this, the reasons why you might buy it. Of course, you want to protect your home. This will act as a deterrent. If a thief sees this, they will be put off straight away. This will record everything that's going on within its eyesight or within its view on an SD card, and it will also transmit it to your phone. So you can view this remotely from anywhere in the world. It connects to your Wi-Fi using that aerial, and your Wi-Fi connects to your phone, and you can view and record and download all the footage from this onto your phone 24 hours a day. Now, I'm going on holiday next week, and I'm actually going on a cruise ship with my mum in the middle of the ocean somewhere in the Mediterranean. I will be able to look at what's going on outside my cottage, and not only that, that footage will be recorded for me. And I've put the solar panel down for a moment because I want to show you something. This thing here with the app can be set up to follow items, so it can follow people, it can follow vehicles, it can follow pets. It's got a 360-degree motion sensor, and it will follow you around the garden. So, despite the fact that it's pointing over there, if it sees something over there, it will latch onto it and it will follow it. How clever is that? Now, in this device, clearly is a motion sensor, and it's set off by motion. It will sense things moving, but you might want to put it near a road or a tree that's always moving. So what you can do in the app, and the app is really intuitive, by the way, it thinks the way I do. You can blank out parts of the screen, so if motion happens there, where there's a tree constantly moving, you can blank that out. You can also set it up to not be set off by your pets. So you can have a dog running around the garden, but it wouldn't be set off, but it might be set off by a car arriving or a human being walking past. Isn't that amazing? Well, I suppose another question you might have is, how easy is it to install that to a wall? Well, it really is a simple question of attaching that bracket, and then that camera just slides on and you put some little nuts in, and that's it, it's attached. So if you're going into brick, roll, plug and screw. If you're going into wood, just a screw. Then you can attach it either to a wall using that side of the bracket, or to a ceiling using that side of the bracket. So basically you've got a lot of flexibility as to how and where you fit this. Now, I'm going to install this on my front wall at the cottage here, and it's supposed to be above 2 meters and below 3 meters. And then you can go into the app and set the range. How easy is that? And not only are you able to set the range, you are also able to set the sensitivity so that you don't get lots of false alarms. And as I've said earlier, you're also able to smudge out different zones of the screen so that if there's constant movement in a particular place, that won't give you a lot of false alarms. And it can be set as static, in other words, just pointing at one place all the time, or you can set it to track and follow moving items around your space. So there we are, the Reolink CCTV surveillance camera with optional solar panel to protect your house, your loved ones, your valuable garden ornaments, your pets, your cars. And it will give you lots of peace of mind, and you can view the footage from anywhere in the world because it connects to your Wi-Fi. Have a look at the Reolink website right now because I believe there might be a flash sale on this item. And I will now install it. I will give you a video on how to install it. And I've also got an unboxing video in the description box below this one. I'll see you soon for some more CCTV surveillance adventures. Bye for now.